Hello, today we're going to show you how to bring up the Task Manager fast in just a few easy steps. Knowing how to access the Task Manager quickly can be a real time saver. So, let's dive right in. The quickest way to open Task Manager is by using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl Shift Escape simultaneously. This is a direct and immediate way to access Task Manager without any extra steps. Try it out now. Another easy method is to right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Once the context menu appears, you'll find Task Manager listed there. Click on it and voila, Task Manager opens up. For those who prefer using commands, you can also use the Run Dialog. Press Win+R to open the Run Dialog, then type Task MGR and hit Enter. This will launch Task Manager in no time. You can also launch Task Manager from the search bar. Just type Task Manager on the search bar, then click Open on the Task Manager app that appears. Finally, you can also open Task Manager from the command prompt. To do this, just open the command prompt app, then type Task MGR and press Enter. Task Manager will launch immediately.